Hi there and welcome. My name is Anubhav and in this video we are gonna talk about some useful English sentences. So friends, without any further ado, let's jump to the first sentence. So the very first sentence of the video is raincoat पहन लो कहीं ऐसा ना हो तुम भीग जाओ. So the English will be put on a raincoat lest you should get wet. Put on a raincoat lest you should get wet. Okay, so the next sentence here we have तुम इस चीज़ से बच नहीं सकते. So the English will be you can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. So the next sentence is ज़्यादा छोटे बाल मत कटाना. So the English will be don't cut hair too short. Don't cut hair too short. So the next sentence is यहाँ से बाज़ार कितनी दूर है. So the English will be how far is the market from here. How far is the market from here. So the next sentence is हम अभी कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं. So the English will be we are not going anywhere right now. We are not going anywhere right now. So the next sentence is तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए. So the English will be you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. So the next sentence is माफ़ी मत मांगिए. So the English will be don't apologize. Don't apologize. So the next sentence is हम लोगों में बातचीत नहीं है. So the English will be we are not on speaking term. We are not on speaking term. So the next sentence is मुझे अपना चेहरा फिर मत दिखाना. So the English will be don't show me your face again. Don't show me your face again. So the next sentence is तुम उस दिन क्यों नहीं आए थे. So the English will be why didn't you come that day. Why didn't you come that day. So the next sentence is तुम उसे पढ़ने क्यों नहीं देते हो. So the English will be why don't you let him study. Why don't you let him study. So the next sentence is तुम इसके जिम्मेदार हो. So the English will be you are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. So the next sentence is यही भगवान की इच्छा थी. So the English will be it was God's will. It was God's will. So the next sentence is बड़े दुख की बात है. So its English will be it is a pity. It is a pity. So the next sentence is अपनी सेहत बिगाड़कर पढ़ाई मत करो. Okay, so the English will be don't study at the cost of your health. Don't study at the cost of your health. So the next sentence is देरी मत करिए. So English will be don't delay. Don't delay. So the next sentence is तुम अपनी किताबें क्यों नहीं लाए. So the English will be why didn't you bring your books. Why didn't you bring your books. So the next sentence is यह फटा हुआ है. So the English will be it is torn. It is torn. So this was enough for this video and this was some sentences I picked from here and there and this was enough for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you did not. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.